guys, welcome back to Sisters from Another Mister. And today we are in our stepdad and grandpa's boat. So I'm in the cuddy right now, which is where you sleep, which we have like food on it and like fishing supplies, and like our sweatshirts and all that. So basically this is where you sleep, and this board comes out and lays right on top of these, and then you put pads in so you can lay back like this. Anyway, so you pull up this toilet and then you go to the bathroom. So we have a radio and some lights in here. We have, and then we have windows all around us. And this unlocks and you push it up and it'll open and you can stick your head out there. Now, out here is,
there's a lot.
Why'd you move?
By 30 and 22, there's a lot.
Okay, so let's come out. So this is the driver's spot right here. So, hey, Nathan has a fish.
Why'd you watch my
Walleye, baby.
Why'd you watch my route?
I think.
Why'd you go through and let's just walk?
Okay.
I just like our
Look at that little fella. That thing's cute.
Can I see it?
That thing is cute,
I
Nate.
knew it was a walleye, though.
So cute.
So he got a fish.
not a keeper.
Nope.
Wait, Lily, maybe show them my two fish.
Yeah, show them the
Okay.
fish that we have.
Somebody.
Even.
Okay, so here's our
Dad's toying with you. Right?
cooler. So we have 5 fish.
There's like 7 or 8 in there now.
Oh.
Pull that bag of ice out.
Okay.
I got it. I'll pull it out.
Okay.
I need help.
Okay, so we have 1, 2, 3.
That one's mine right there.
4.
No, that one's mine.
This right here, I think this is the big one.
This one's Cindy's. That's mine.
This one's breathing.
Lily, the biggest one is mine.
Okay. Well, anyway, so these are our fish that we've caught.
This one's breathing. This one's mine.
And
this one's breathing.
so, yeah. And
So the big one.
so this is the passenger seat, which is my mom's seat. This is Nathan's seat, and Sydney's sitting in it.
the biggest
That.
fish is mine.
Yeah. Okay. Anyway, so we're on Lake Erie. Here. We're on Lake Erie.
Don't drop your phone in.
And here's our little setup right here. Our worms and yeah. And
Put that ice back in there.
we have our minnows here.
Do you think there's any fish down
Minnows?
there?
And look, I caught a fish. Anyway,
That's funny.
now back in the cuddy.
They can show you. My feet are.
No, we're gonna stay out here. Yeah, back in the cuddy. So guys, it is really like shaky, and right now we're all fishing. Besides,
Do you want to
me.
know a fun fact?
What?
Down here, you're most likely to get sick down here instead of up there.
Yeah, you're most likely because that's fresh air, and this is like I don't know.
But and you just can hear the water and you're just crashing around.
Yeah.
So especially if you.
I bought a bag yesterday at Walmart. It's basically a fanny pack that goes like around your right here.
Yeah, it's a fanny pack.
So
Well, I knew it was a walleye.
It wasn't.
I
Down.
want to do a little challenge with me and Elijah. So we're gonna go out there and see who can stand on one leg the longest.
Do it in here.
So let's go out there. Let's do it in here.
Andy's coming.
Watch my pole, Elijah.
So guys, our stepdad. Here, I got it. I'll fit it over here. So he got hold me. He got another one. Or Nathan got another one. Leah has to hold him.
Sheephead. Throw that back.
Oh, well, there it is.
Big old sheephead.
Okay, now it's my turn.
Sheephead. Yeah, turn.
My turn.
Tara,
What?
Oh,
my fishing pole was stuck right there, and I thought there was a fish.
Sydney got 2 fish already by herself.
And like the big, I
He
caught.
just got a fish.
Here, can I
So-
tell them something? I only got
Yeah.
them something.
Okay.
I lost my father-in-law's fishing pole into the lake. It was an accident.
It just, fell.
It was an expensive pole.
$120 setup.
And can I? And my first fish was like bigger than anybody else's. I have like the biggest fish.
Mm-hmm. So
I caught 2 walleyes.
nice.
Okay, so we can hold on to each other, but not the boat.
You guys are all gonna need to take baths
Oh.
tomorrow.
We both tied. We tied.
No, this is kind of like 24 hours.
Okay, so we have all kinds of Maybugs all over, and it's really annoying. So yeah.
Okay, guys. So
I'm gonna eat some watermelon.
Yeah, I'm gonna eat some pineapple. So
Huh?
why am I on my life vest? Tiny bit pineapple left. There's a lot of watermelon.
There's pretty a lot of
Look at that. Let's go over there.
So everybody's fishing right now.
Let's go do that.
I think we're gonna.
Huh?
I think we're gonna move.
Good job.
There's no
Yeah, we're heading right for it.
fish.
Can I roll my
There's
hand
not that
so we
many
can go over there?
Not that many fish where we're at. Nobody can catch it.
I could go check right now.
Right now we're drifting.
Right now, I'm gonna go check if there's fish or not.
We also have a fish finder.
That's what he's checking.
There's been a lot of fish.
Look how crazy that's going. There's a
And-
fish by 25.
Yeah, there's a lot
No,
of fish.
24.
Right off the bottom.
22. 22.
Yeah, I mean, look at our bait, like our tackle.
20-ish.
There's a lot of it. Yeah,
It's at 20-ish.
Sorry, I was checking the finder. Here's Elijah.
Hey.
I was checking the finder. to see if
So
there were
that's
any
what's
fish
happening.
near. So, what we're doing right now is we are moving spots because there's not that many fish where we're fishing right now. So we're going to be moving spots right now. And, yeah.
Leah.
We're moving in the water right now. Oh, guys, cool thing is that, oh my gosh, that on the back of the boat, like about right there, oh, you guys can kind of see it. There's like a little bar. And then you like, shh. And then like you step out, and it's kind of like a pool ladder. But right now we're moving. A lot of waves. So this is Lake Erie. Cool, like sunset kind of thing. What?
I just caught a fish out of the water.
No, she caught a minnow. The same one, it's dead. So these are all the minnows. Woo!
And we like picking them up.
Yeah, they're really hard to catch. But we're all like almost, there's another boat. I mean, yeah. So, there's Leah.
I almost caught it.
That's Nathan, our stepdad. That's his friend.
And that's my real dad.
Yeah. So, yeah. So, guys, we're moving even faster, and now we're slowing down. So, she just fell. Oh my gosh, I just fell too. This is hard, guys. This is really hard to stand up. It's really slippery because it's kind of muddy. Oh my gosh. She's in the pool and splits. Here we are on the tip of the boat. And so, there's our worms. Elijah's on the tip of the boat. There is that window that I said lifted up. Goes in the cuddy. There's Leah staring at us from there.
I'm glad I'm not wearing a hat.
You know why? Leah, come down in the cuddy.
Lily.
There she is. So, here's my mom. She's casting it out for Sydney. Yes.
Glad I'm not wearing a hat.
You're supposed to be having your life jacket on.
Get down. Go get your life jacket.
So, I just got in trouble for not having his life jacket on.
Where's my life jacket?
I don't know. Here's Leah. Sydney's fishing. Here, you video me. Okay.
Guys, look at your life jacket. This is how you get from point A to point B.
Point A, which is
Point A to point A. Or point A to point B.
here. Let me try it.
Is it good, guys?
Yeah.
Hi, Leah's head.
Oh my gosh.
It's not scary. It's scarier than. No, I mean it's
Okay.
scarier than.
Hold on. Like, go down as I go down.
Wait, Daddy, do you know where the fish are? Whoa. No, I mean like, are they close?
What's up?
Back up. Who's coasting?
Move, Lily.
I'm going down.
Okay, no, I'm going up. Yeah. And then I'm gonna go up. I'm gonna try to go up. So once I'm up, see you guys. Okay, so we're both on the tip of the boat.
I didn't hear
Little video when
no clue.
people,
When we
yeah.
get rich,
So, yeah.
One's got a fish.
Nathan's got a fish. Come on, zoom in on it.
Dang it, Nate.
Oh, it got off. Wait.
Wait.
Oh, wait. Oh, he got one. What is it? What is it?
It's a white perch.
It's a white perch, guys. White perch.
Another one.
We got another one, guys. Nathan got it.
Is it walleye?
Walleye.
Can I see?
There we go, guys. Zoom in.
That's a keeper.
Still not bigger than mine. Still not your last walleye.
shut up. Bigger than your last walleye.
Okay, guys. So
They're on 20.
I'm just sitting here, and as you know, Nathan just
You're
caught a
getting
fish.
closer to
And
40.
I'm just sitting here
almost
eating
to 30.
goldfish and enjoying the lake view. And yeah, I mean that's really what
The
we're
fish are
and
kind of close to
and
40. They're
on the
really
monitor.
close to 30.
Show on the monitor.
And I'm at 40.
On the monitor, there's like schools of fish.
I went all the way down.
I don't know if
Mainly, I don't know how to read it.
I do.
Sydney, no, you don't.
Yes, I do. I saw
I'm just sitting here in goldfish.
like those like little striped thingies. Right?
they're technically whales.
They're whales, yeah.
Yeah, but I don't
Because
know where they're always at.
Hey, that goes along with the boat and everything. No, guys, this is not an ocean. This is Lake Erie. So,
It's
we already said
freezing,
that.
but it's
And
also freezing here.
yeah.
Yeah, it is really
And
cold.
it's Canada right there. Canada's
Yeah.
right there.
Over there. Somewhere.
We would go there, so
Stop it!
we would go there. We would go there, but Dad said people once you go into Canadian water, people with machine guns come out. I don't know if it's true or not. Fish on. Fish on.
Oh,
Really? Fish on. No.
huh?
I was looking around like, there's fish on? Nobody's.
I think 8 or 9 in the box.
So what time is it right now?
Yeah, well,
7:54.
Sydney caught
So
2
we're
walleye.
about to go in.
Yeah, we're gonna go. So now we have more fish, I think.
Tara got
Like-
Yeah,
1.
more fish is getting close.
I've got 3.
Yeah, there's a lot.
3. I just got
More
1.
fish. Which bag of ice is fluffy?
Yeah.
Whoa.
Whoa.
Well, the one
Hey, remember the one?
of mine was too small.
So me and Elijah are just telling like where they're at, the fish are. And there was just
Get it, get it.
Oh,
Yeah, fish on, fish on. Andy,
Fish
can you
on,
get
fish
this?
on.
Tara's got a.
Fish on! Come on, let's go.
Nope, Andy's not. Take your time, take your time.
Maybe
I
that's
can't tell if it's a sheep head or not.
Make more.
Let him work it.
That's a big old sheep head.
Oh my gosh.
Big old sheep head.
Now you can't say you
Behind you.
Okay guys, so it is the next day but I hope you liked the video. If you did, like, subscribe, share, and hit the bell. Stay positive, stay safe, and bye.